Alright, this is the first test of the WFO Wide X-Maxx kit. It's a full 3 inches wider than stock, 1.5 inches on each side added to the arms. We just got some axles in here that are test only mock-ups, so just have to see how they do, if they hold up, but we're gonna have somebody make some actual production axles that are definitely got to hold up to the power, but for now this is what we got. So this is the first run of this car. Just gonna run it up my side street here. There's a car coming. Alright, that's it for now. We got to charge up the batteries, give it a full test, but just had to give it a little rip on the street, and there it is. A running truck. Alright, shout out to everybody in the WFO group. And Brian, thanks for making this happen. And here we are. Alright, everybody stay safe.